Alright, I recently managed to get my hands on the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So let's do a quick unboxing of the phone and a quick review. It comes in the small compact box. So let's open it up and see what we get on the inside. Really, there's not much to it. Here we have some paperwork and the USB-C to C cable. With smartphone companies becoming more environmentally conscious, we don't get much in the box, and also they expect you to buy the additional peripherals. And now we get to the actual device. This is the titanium violet, and I did such a poor job in peeling off this plastic. You can really see the anti-reflective coating. You can barely see the lights and the device I'm recording with. It has a 4-camera setup at the back and the stylus pin. The S24 Ultra is made up of a titanium frame, making it more durable, and it also has Gorilla Armor glass throughout the phone to make it resistant to scratches. The titanium also makes it slightly lighter, but that's not something you initially feel. Then it has a really quick and easy setup, dark mode all day, every day. Here I am playing around with the S Pen. It allows you to use your handwriting in order to make searches in the search bar. But unfortunately, my handwriting is that terrible, it couldn't detect it. And I was also playing around with the circle to search feature, which I'm quite familiar with at this point. I think the Galaxy AI features are what makes this device stand out from the crowd. The circle to search and all the different Galaxy AI features make it a lot of fun to use. But over time, they actually get played out and you realize it's just a regular Samsung Android phone. I also decided to test the device's sound quality, and this is what it sounds like. It's nice and loud and crystal clear, but it's also very sharp. It lacks some bass. It runs on Android 14 with the One UI 6.1 OS, and it uses the Snapdragon 8 chipset. It has 12 gigs of RAM, and it starts from 256 gigs of onboard memory all the way to 1 terabyte. Side note, I prefer the S Pen for the tab as opposed to the one for the Galaxy S24 Ultra, which makes sense because I think it fits way better in the hands than the tiny S Pen for the S24 Ultra, but that's just a side note. It has a 5000 milliamp hour battery that caters for 45 watt wired charging, 15 watt wireless charging, and 4.5 watt reverse wireless charging, which is really good. It has a 6.8 inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED display with a 2600 nits peak brightness. I was unable to do a camera test, but I will do that in the next video. But all that said and done, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is undeniably one of the best phones out there at the moment. It comes with a very premium price tag though, so at almost 30,000 Rand, if you're willing to invest for some really top tier performance and features, then you should go for this phone. By the way, I'm Lexi, and if you enjoy tech content, be sure to follow 8th Avenue.